Hey guys, in today's video, may I share with you the best 6 online business models where you can use AI for free and without any upfront fees. So now let's get started. And the first online business model, that is creating your YouTube channel. For sure, we all know this time is the best time to create your own channel on YouTube without any effort and without paying anything else. Because here you can create your YouTube channel based on amazing free AI tools and get millions of views in just a short period. For example, like this one, Minecraft AI. Here, this amazing YouTube channel just creating short videos that talk about different stories, funny situations, and so on, and gets thousands and millions of views in a short time, as you observe. And this one, Meow Memories, short videos talking about the heroic actions and adventures of this orange cat and so on and so forth, and get tens, thousands and millions of views in just a few months. So for sure you can create all these YouTube videos completely for free, step by step. Or this amazing one that was trending before, that is POV videos, that you can go back in the past to war, to an ancient civilization and so forth. So how you can create all these videos completely for free using AI? For sure, regarding creating your images for these scenes, you can depend on different AI image generators like Midjourney, Ideogram, Pixelyomin.com, and so on. And for sure, with $0 literally. And as for converting these images to beautiful video clips, you have a variety of these tools. Like this one, for example, KlingAI.com and Minimax. For sure, it gives you a free plan, but here you can just struggle the slow process here to generate your video clip. But on the other side, you can find different tools that amazingly create your own video clips from your text or from your image. Like this one, for example, Vision.ai, it gives you a free plan, amazing one, and enables you to generate your videos either by converting your text or images completely for free, as you see in this previews. Or you can actually use the right now trending the Veo 3 from Google for free by using this amazing website that is easemate.ai. Here, this mind-blowing website, here it's packed with amazing AI tools, including this one that says AI video, that uses Veo 3 video generator that enables you to generate your video from converting your image or your text using this technique completely for free. And for sure, I just talked about this amazing website before. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. And as for getting lifelike voiceover, for sure you can head over to this website, 11labs.io. It's an amazing one and gives you a generous free plan. And as for picking the best sound effects for your videos, for sure you can get all these from the YouTube library or from pixabay.com. It gives you huge amounts of these sound effects for free. So thus you can use AI tools to create your channels, especially AI short videos about many topics, fantasy, and so on. And now let's move on to the next business model, that is the freelancing for sure. Of course, you can head over to these websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork, and so on, and provide your gigs based on AI tools to use and leverage the power of AI. Like this one, for example, this simple one, change cloth. Here you can find different people are looking for this service, like change this pattern, this color of dresses, and so on. So you can get help from different AI tools for free. Like this one I just love so much, Tensor.art. Here you can find a bunch of beautiful AI tools and models with different filters, styles, and so on, including this one, change your clothes. So for example, here just you can head over to this AI tools and look for here in the search bar something talking about that change clothes. Then here you can find in this AI tools section different amazing tools regarding this amazing query to change the cloth patterns and so on. Perfect. And for sure I just talked about this amazing website, how you can leverage this website to make money online in freelancing platforms. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. Or even if you have a skill to just edit or montage your videos, For sure, you can provide this mind-blowing gig here on Fiverr.com and get hundreds of clients as you see. And now let's move on to the third online business, that is creating your digital products. And for sure, one of the best digital items here you can create and sell for sure is ebooks, courses, cheat sheets, and so on. Therefore, you can use AI tools for free to brainstorming ideas and create your digital products without any cost at you. Like this one, you can use a ChatGPT or any other chatbots like Grok, DeepSeek, and so on to brainstorming ideas, the pain points, and so on. And you can create your own PDF guide, for example, using Gamma.app. Or you can create your ebook completely for free using ChatGPT and Canva.com. And for sure, as I talked about previously, an amazing way how you can create the best profitable ebook people are looking for. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And now let's move on to the next business model. For sure is print on demand using different platforms and marketplaces like Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Merch by Amazon, and so on. And formerly we are using Canva.com or Photoshop to create your own designs, but in the era of AI, it's easy way to make money online on print on demand. Just you can pick your idea and your trending niche, and therefore go to any AI image generator and paste your prompt, and just in a matter of seconds it gives you back your design ready to publish immediately. You can find out there various of these AI image generators, especially for print on demanders, like this one, for example, Recraft.ai. Here you can create your own designs with readable text and amazing graphics, as well as here you can find a mind-blowing tool to create your mockups to promote your designs on social media. And for sure, you can try and use this amazing website for free. Or you can find another tool today like ideogram.ai. Here you can create your designs as you see in this preview. And now let's move on to the next business model, that is affiliate marketing. For sure, we all know how you can promote different programs related to a specific niche you are working in or interested in by joining different networks like shareasale.com or Impact Radius, Digistore, and so on. Or easily and simply, you can head over to Google and look for the relevant affiliate programs for a specific niche, like this one, best affiliate programs for self-improvement. Then you can find here tens or even hundreds of these suggestions and websites talking about these programs. And for sure, regarding affiliate marketing, you can actually create your own piece of content. It could be a script of your video or even article using a ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Quinn, and so on. Therefore, you can customize this article to be friendly and convincing and publish them in different platforms like medium.com, Quora Space, your blog, including your affiliate links. So you can actually promote these articles from Medium, for example, on Pinterest as well to get more traffic to your articles, and for sure your affiliate programs to get more sales and more commission. So you got to know different amazing business models that you can use AI to make money online in 2025 for free and start with $0 literally. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.